So I'm gearing up to cut a shower trim, the bottom trim. But last time I used this hacksaw for the first time, the blade broke. So I wanted to show you how to replace the blade. Using a miter box is a really good way to get a straight cut, get a straight angle cut. You can get different cuts, different slanted cuts. Today I'll be just doing a straight 90 cut, so it's just right in the center. But what I want to show you is changing the hacksaw blade or replacing a broken hacksaw blade. So if you needed to remove the old one, you would just untwist the thumb lock, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. I've got this kit here, and this one I'm using a bimetal blade, 12-inch, 18 teeth. I think it's 18 teeth per inch here. You'll see how that works. Working on this deal, it's got this special little holder. So this is a kit. It has 10 blades, but we just pop the little button off on each side. Trying to save the little button, as I like to be able to reuse this. But here we go. That allows us to pop off the blade. And I can put in theory, I don't really need the case, but it does make a nice hanger. So I might reuse that, assuming that it will cooperate with me, which is an assumption. There we go. Okay. Yeah, like I said, that is an assumption, but here we go. Trying to get this in a position to show you guys. So I've got one of my deals, and then the next button. There we go. Now it's nice and ready for next time use. I can hang it back up, so that's nice. Okay, on our hacksaw blade, obviously we're going to put the teeth down. You can, for storage, put the teeth up, but this just hooks on the back end, and it's got like kind of an angle on the back hook, so that when you tighten it up, it doesn't pop off. And then on the front end, we've got this wing nut that we can loosen up, position onto the hole of the blade. It's not rocket science here, but it is science. Alright. Yeah, and then we just tighten the wing nut up. Now we want it nice and taut, so it won't come off on us. There we go. And the first time I used it last time, it broke on me. Now I'll be using this Stanley miter box. It's a really nice set. So I need it to be 33. I'm going to get a measurement on my deal here. Right at 33. The mistake with these shower door deals is cutting them too long. There's a curve of the shower door, and if it's cut too long, it'll make the bottom part pop out. So it's a good idea to get your measurements and figure out what works best for you. And once you've really figured that out, then lock it in and write it down somewhere on your phone or whatnot. So I'm going to be cutting on the left side of my line. I've made my line. So this side is the waist end. And cutting it right at 33. Hopefully there's enough room in this little area. But so this still has these pegs here. And it's very nice because you can just customize it to whatever it is that you're cutting. So, like about here, maybe. And you turn it so that you can drop it down into your deal. Now this one's going to be a little tricky for I'll only be able to get one side in, but it's all I need. not the easiest thing, but yeah. But not the hardest thing either. We'll find a way. Okay. So here we go. Line it up, and again I'm going on the left side of my line, and that's where I put it. It's good. And just like that. A little noise. Should be good. Tiny bit more on that back end. We're off that. Yeah, I'm right at 33 1/8. The problem with these is if it doesn't sit right, it'll spring back up. So I may need to trim off a little. I'm going to put it in place. We'll see how it goes. That's a different story for a different day, as there is a bit more to that story. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.